Hey friends, thanks for stopping by my channel to check out this video. If you want to see how I turned this basic cardboard box into a bright and fun Easter basket for my kids, then just keep watching. You're going to need a ruler, scissors, scotch tape or packing tape, and a cardboard box with a lid. So we're going to start off by cutting off the lid and cutting off the flaps. But make sure you keep that lid because we're going to need that for a certain part of the basket. Now, using the lid that we cut off the box, we're going to measure out two 2-inch wide strips, and then we're going to cut those out. So now we're going to take the two strips we just cut out and just fold the bottoms of them about 1/2 inch. This will prepare them for being attached to the body of the basket. Now attach the end that you just folded to the box using either the packing tape or the scotch tape. Now you can join the two handles together with some packing tape. Feel free to add some more tape to the outside and inside of the handles just to make it more secure. From here, you can just cover it and decorate it any way you want to, using your kids' favorite colors or even little items that they have around the house. But if you want to see how I did the basket weave covering, please be sure to check out part 2. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.